Hey, Charles. So I was thinking about it, and it feels like every year there's a new tool, a new platform, a new framework, but at least half of what we learn feels outdated within months, if not sooner.
Well, that's because the most important skill was never a tool.
Well, then what is?
Your ability to learn. Learning is the ultimate force multiplier because it's a meta skill, the capability that accelerates every other capability that you have.
Take it another level for me, Charles. What do you mean?
Well, when you upgrade how you learn, you just don't know more. You think more clearly. You solve problems faster. You adapt across roles, industries, and situations without starting over every time.
But we already have instant access to pretty much anything with Google, Copilot, ChatGPT. Everything's one prompt away.
Access, though, is not the advantage anymore. Internalization is. I don't know many leaders that can stop a meeting, a high stakes negotiation, and say, wait a minute, let me go check ChatGPT or Copilot.
That's a great point. So help me understand what we might want to do differently.
Well, access gives you answers in the moment, internalization gives you judgment under pressure. Real expertise lives in your long term memory, where ideas are organized into mental patterns that your brain can use automatically without effort.
So just because I'm familiar with something doesn't mean I've mastered it.
Exactly. That's the illusion of fluency. When someone or something feels familiar, your brain assumes you've learned it. Familiarity feels productive, but when the pressure hits, it usually disappears.
All right, so let's say I want to try this, practically speaking. What changes?
We'll pick one high stakes skill. It could be communication, decision making, leadership presence, and then redesign how you practice it using three shifts.
Okay, let's hear them.
So the first one, retrieval instead of review. Stop rereading your notes, emails, or slide decks. Close the book, close the computer, and on your own, try to pull out the core ideas out of memory. That effort, that strain, is what makes knowledge usable when the stakes are high. Think of it like a cognitive bicep curl. The effort is the learning.
Comfortable already, Charles.
Good. That's how you know it's working.
All right, so that's the first one. What's the second one then?
So the second is practice instead of consumption. Watching experts builds inspiration, but performing builds skill. You don't get better at thinking, speaking, or leading by watching others do it well. You get better at those things by doing the reps yourself, imperfectly, repeatedly, but deliberately.
That makes a lot of sense, Charles. What's the third one?
So the third one is the reflection instead of speed. Stop rushing to the finish. Build in reflection time. Reflection is where learning consolidates. It connects new ideas to what you already know, turning isolated insights into a usable mental map. Because without reflection, experience stays fragmented. With reflection, it compounds.
So the struggle isn't a problem.
You are correct. It's the point. What learning science calls desirable difficulty isn't slogging, it's how expertise is built intentionally.
All right, so we're going to upgrade how we learn.
And you're going to upgrade then how you perform everywhere else.
So it sounds like passive learning is more the problem.
Exactly. Think of it like this: passive learning is like reading the fire evacuation plan,
And what would mastery look like?
well, running the fire drill.
Because in a real emergency,
You're right. No one pulls out the manual. They rely on what's in their brain and body of what they've already rehearsed.
so if we don't have those reps and that skill embedded,
Then usually they don't exist when the pressure hits. Upgrade how you learn, and you're going to upgrade how you perform everywhere else.